Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix something went wrong in Play Store. Try again. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to open Google Play Store, but it keeps saying there's an error, something went wrong, try again. Here, the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem is to check your internet if it's stable. Now, if you check your internet and there is nothing wrong with it, here we're going to move to the next tab. So we're going to open up our settings. And after that, we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. These interface will appear. Now we're going to tap on manage apps. Now scroll all the way down and look for Google Play Store. So tap on it and then tap on clear data, then clear cache. And now go back and try to open up Google Play Store and your problem should be solved. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.